This summer, my wife and I decided to tackle resealing our driveway ourselves. We had a good experience with EnviroSeal's LAS 320 in the past, so we decided to give it another try. Since residue from any driveway sealant can be tracked into the home even after everything is dry, we really like that this product is non-toxic and environmentally safe. And it's water-based, which makes the product easy to apply, it dries under 30 minutes, and cleanup is super simple. We started the process by clearing off our driveway of debris and dirt. Power washing is optional, but we decided to do it this time to get the driveway extra clean. If you do power wash, it is important to let it dry at least 24 hours before the application of LAS 320. Finally, it was time to apply the product. I made a little bit of a mess because I didn't realize until later that you can just pull a spout out of the bucket for a clean pour. Noted for next time. Application is as easy as painting with a broom. The first time we tried this, we had a really stiff, short bristled broom. This time we picked one with slightly softer, more pliable bristles. It was a lot easier to control and spreading the sealant felt a lot more effortless. You can see the LAS 320 easily gets into all the little crevices because of its very low viscosity. It goes on blue when it's wet, and it turns black as it dries, which is a really cool way to be able to gauge your progress. There were a few areas where we have some deeper cracks, which we filled with sand and then soaked in LAS 320. We decided to pour it directly onto those areas so we wouldn't disturb the sand. Those areas hardened really nicely and seem to be really durable now. The application brooms washed really easily with just a water hose. So after about 2 hours of work, our driveway was completely covered, there was very minimal odor, and we could walk on it after only about an hour. But now we have a pristine looking driveway ready for winter. All in all, we love LAS 320. The company was really great to work with, and they were super responsive. We would highly recommend this product to anyone, and we'll definitely be using it again the next time we seal.